Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Tree channel, coming to you from El Paso, Texas. We have another gun review for you today. We have the Sig P365 and the standard size. But before we get started, we want to give a big shout out to Gun Central for acquiring this gun for us and supplying the ammo. If you want great customer service, somebody that's knowledgeable, somebody that's sincere and honest, Gun Central is one of those places. Before we start, let me read you the verse of the day. I'll be reading off from the New King James Version Bible. And before I read, let me explain to you why I feel God has put in my heart to read these verses to you. In Proverbs it says that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. And I feel that in this world, there is not too much fear of the Lord. All right. And the verse of the day is going to be off from Luke chapter 12, verses 4 through 5. And it reads, "And I say to you, my friends, do not be afraid of those who kill the body, and after that have no more that they can do. But I will show you whom you should fear. Fear him who, after he has killed, has power to cast into hell. Yes, I say to you, fear him." All right, here we have the P365 standard size for you now. This one comes with that standard P365 standard rail. It has that, came with those X-ray 3 day-night sights, which I like very much. And the sight radius is, let's see if I remember correctly, it's 4.9 inches. The barrel is a carbon steel barrel, measured 3.1 inches as opposed to your 3.7 inches on your XL. Let's see, as far as the slide, it has a nitride finish. It's a stainless steel slide. The overall width is 1.6 inches. The overall height of the gun is 4.3 inches. You have your magazine release on the left side. This one came with two 10-round magazines. One came flushed and the other one extended. I think that's all I really wanted to mention about this gun. And for comparison, of course, we have the Springfield Hellcat. I did mention the Hellcat to be just a little bit longer. And then, of course, we have the XL P365 for you. And you can tell it's quite a bit longer. And just to mention, the XL is considered to be a micro compact gun as well. And there you go. I think that concludes our tabletop review. And now we'll go out and shoot this bad boy for you. We'll see you in a bit. All right. How y'all doing, folks? Here we have the P365, the standard size. And we're going to use the Cellar Bellet 124 grain. And we'll use some of this Fiocchi 119 grain. We're going to get ready to do some target shooting here. First, I'm going to shoot at the human silhouette. I'm just going to go right dead center and see where the bullet goes. All right, definitely. Yeah, it's hitting left. I'm going to shoot at where I hit the target. And on that shot right there, I'm going to aim a little bit to the right. There we go. Okay. All right. We're going to go for the three-gong station now. And we'll see if we can hit that the large one to the left there. All right. All right. We're going to go ahead and load up here. We're going to load up with a 12-round magazine. All right, let's go for the middle one here.
The middle one on the three gong station.
A little bit high, I think. All right, that's it. Hmm. All right, there we go. I'm gonna try to hit that little one.
There's a lot of wind, but maybe I'll hit it.
Yep. Let me go.
I'm gonna go for the middle one. All right. I'll go for the hit of the human silhouette.
All right. A little bit left.
Let's go to the 20-yard one.
Ah, nice shot. I don't know if you can see that shot over here. All right, we ran out of ammo. We're gonna load up and we'll see you in a bit. All right, let's go to that
30-yard one or 25. A little high.
misfire. Misfire. We got the chamber that we have. The slide didn't go all the way forward. We're gonna clear that round. Try that one more time here. Yeah. Let's get right. All right, we're gonna reload with a 12 round magazine. All right, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and do a rapid shooting right there on the human. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, we loaded up with 10 rounds. We're gonna see if we can hit that 50-yard gong over there. And we got the 12 magazine. We just put 10 in there with the 124 grain bullet. Wind, as you can see, the target, the paper target, it broke the stick, the stand. It broke it. That's how hard the wind is. And the wind just keeps shifting left and right, left and right. So we'll see if we can hit that. We got 10 rounds loaded here on the gun, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. Let's see here. Let's see if I can hit it. Hopefully, at least once. All right. I don't even see that one. Oh, heard a bang. Wow, 50 yards with this little gun. I can see those two bullets, and the wind is carrying the bullet. I'm aiming at the center, and it's carrying the bullet almost outside.
I'm gonna aim more to the right. All right. Well, maybe I should stay in the same spot.
I think I have maybe one more. Yeah. Nice little gun. We'll see you in a bit. It was fun making this video as well. I want to first and foremost thank the Lord for allowing me in making this video. I want to thank my wife from the bottom of my heart for being the camera woman of this video. I want to thank Mr. Roger Rojas, Mr. Juan Gomez for helping me with those targets. And I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Lorenzo Salinas for being the artist. And don't forget to subscribe, share, give thumbs up. God bless you and your family. We'll see you next time.